Weston Brass are going to take it away. Please sing along, please enjoy yourselves, and on behalf of everyone here, have a very Merry Christmas. Be good, don't get up to mischief. And I'm going to leave the final words to the Mayor of Weston-super-Mare. Have a good Christmas! Merry Christmas, everybody!
Have a good day. Elmo, go on my YouTube channel. Go on my YouTube channel, mate. Yay, Elmo. See you later, dude.